Girls high school volleyball Thursday night in Smithsburg. The Leopards hosting the Williamsport Wildcats. The county rivals were ready for a pitched contest in the first game of the match. Some great play at the net in the early going by Smithsburg's Nikki Seifert. Smithsburg would rattle off 4 straight points to go up 11-8, and the Wildcats needed to call a timeout. Williamsport's Kayla Broadwater and Brittany Malott helped the Cats rally, but it was more strong play by Colleen Black, Sarah Rochelle, and Seifert that kept the Leopards out in front to take the first game of the match 25-15. The Leopards would go on to sweep the Wildcats, who fall to 10-2 on the season with 2 matches left. Smithsburg climbs to 8-4 overall, 1 match left this year. Details online at herald-mail.com.